Okay, so next object class that we will create is the kanisang pedestal, no? This one. Okay? So mo na siya class, no? The pedestal, no? Yung elevation, but ang yung plan view is kani, no? So that's 45 by 45, no? And then you just make an offset class, no? 0.025, no? So for example, in this case, no, you want to really check that precision, then set to 3, no? So you can really verify, no, that it's really 0.025, no? Okay, let us delete, no, the dimensions. So the height is 1 meter, and then here, nasa molding class, no, on top, no? Okay, so 0.05 thickness. We go to one class, no? Southeast isometric lang, no? Or your choice lang, you can have the southwest, no? Then make sure that is 2D wireframe lang sa, no? Para gaan ng file, no? Okay, so southeast isometric. Okay, so here, no? Then this one class, no? Just make use of the no? You can reg, no? You can make use of the reg, enter. Make sure the lines are closed, no? No gaps or no extensions, no? Enter. Click the object, that is one entity, no? Escape, no? ext, enter. Click the object, enter. Then that is no? Height is no? 1 meter minus 0.05. So 0.95, no? Okay. So we use 0.95 plus, no? Because namshi tapping, no? Molding, no? 0.05. So here sa boss class, no? Pwede po gamitan na to box, no? Okay? Or even ang ganihan, no? Para din na ka maagi sa region ng extrude. You can use box, no? Enter. Click this corner and then click this corner. And then upward, no? 0.05. Enter. Okay. So here, click na siya class, no? Yeah. Move lang, no? Type M, enter. Then click ng kadiha, no? Make sure snaps are on, no? Okay. Balik na class, no? Move, enter. Click this object, enter. Then click that point, no? So you have to click that one, no? Precisely, no? Then upward, no? Click that one. Okay. So on top na siya class, no? Then shaded. We can have shaded with edges, type orbit, no? Okay. Okay, no? It's better that we use layer class, no? So here we already have no? Layer, no? We'll try to use layer, no? It's all 2D, no? So we'll make one lang. Siyang another layer, no? Click and then it should be 3D, no? Para we can identify the layering is for 2D, no? It's not for 2D. Okay, again, with the Prefix 3D, no? About for 3D modeling. 3D pedestal. Okay, so the color, pwede lang sa kana, no? Or you can change later class. Close, okay. Select, no? Pedestal. You must have the properties, no? You just type ch, no? Ch, enter, no? Properties will appear. Select the object and then layer is 3D pedestal. Okay? You can have this molding, no? Pedestal molding, no? LA, no? You can have 3D pedestal molding. Okay? So we can select this top object and then 3D pedestal molding. Okay. So for the 3D, we can change color, no? Let's try to change color, no? Sample lang, no? Okay. Okay. That's it, no? For this one, no? You can use box, you can use reg, and then extrude, no? Then use move lang, no?